my 3 main go-to spices. I use at least one of them every day. I make them in batches, always ready to go, also always ready to go for friends. What better gift to a foodie than your own homemade secret spice combo? Homemade with none of the store-bought preservative, fake flavors or weird chemical you just can't pronounce and probably not digest either. On the meat, the mushroom combo enhances the flavors with a really rich and luxurious taste. On vegetables, it just brings out the depth of the fresh goodness of nature. My vegan dumplings are solely flavored by my spices. Not only vegan son loves them, but also the whole meat-eating family members and friends. First time I ran out of 5 spice one day and asked, well, can I make it? 5 spices, right? How hard can it be? Anise, cinnamon, Szechuan peppers, or black peppers or white peppers, it doesn't really matter. I used rainbow peppers the first time. Fennel seeds and cloves. These are the classic 5 ingredients. You can add ginger if you like. The Japanese have a 7 ingredient spice with tangerine peel, which adds a nice citrusy flavor. So you never need to buy 5 spice ever again. It lasts forever on the shelves. Super empowering when you find you can make your own foods from scratch.